Did you ever make a map where you wanted to mask out an area of interest and then just do something different with everything outside of the area of interest? And here I am in ArcGIS. Online, I have this dark human geography base map, and I'm going to add a layer to this from Living Atlas, and I've searched for U.S. Forest Service, USFS. And I'm going to add their U.S. Forest Service lands. And here they are. Now, it's important to remove all transparency, make it as opaque as you can get it. This will serve as my clipping layer, a mask. Now I'm going to search for world imagery. Also from Living Atlas. I'll add it here. Oh no, I covered everything up. I'll go back to my layers list and I'll put the Forest Service lands on top. And I'm going to create a group. Group this, expand it, and I'll put the world imagery into that group beneath my clipping layer. And then with my clipping layer selected, I'm going to go into the blend modes, glorious blend modes, and I'm going to choose destination atop. Boom. Destination atop is like a cookie cutter within that group. Anything underneath it in that group will render within the polygon. Everything outside is obliterated. And you can do things like add effects to the group itself. With the group selected, I'll go into effects and I'll choose drop shadow. That helps it look a little offset from the background, and I dig it. And since this clipping effect is isolated to within this group, we can change our base map to whatever we want. A khaki base map, open street map, that looks kind of cool. A human geography light base map, also cool. Check this out. What if I just do imagery as well? Now I've just got this cool drop shadow effect of imagery on top of imagery, but the shadow isn't quite enough. So I'll dig into this imagery base map. I'll choose the underlying world imagery and I'll give this one an effect of blur. And this will serve to defocus the base map. So now the Forest Service lands come in crisp. Everything else is a little blurry. You've got the context of the surrounding area, but it's a little blurry. Just have fun with clipping. Clips, mask, clipping masks, whatever you want to call them. It's easy and effective by using a group layer and the destination atop blend mode. Try it out for yourself. Oh no, I'm stuck in my clipping mask.